What's up guys, this is Unknown from GreedyTech, and in this video we are doing a gaming review, battery drain test and heat test of iQOO Z3. Now before we start, here are some specifications. It comes with 6.58-inch IPS LCD display, it has 120Hz refresh rate in 20:9 aspect ratio, and it has 90.6% screen to body ratio. It supports HDR10 and has DCI P3 wide color gamut. As for performance, it comes with Snapdragon 768G 5G with Adreno 620 GPU. It has up to 8GB LPDDR4X RAM and up to 256GB storage. It comes with 5-layer liquid cooling system which helps reduce the core temperature by 10 degrees Celsius. It has 4400 mAh battery with 66 watt flash charger in the box. And this phone has single speaker at the bottom. Now here are some benchmark scores. So this is my current setup. There are two huge lights on either side. The battery is currently at 88% and there's an AC running in the background at 26 degrees and the room temperature is 27 degrees. Now let's check the temperature. On all sides it's 33 degrees Celsius. Now I'll start the timer and start with Asphalt 9. As you can see, the visuals are great, the details are pretty good and the controls are pretty smooth. Overall, it's definitely playable. So it's been 5 minutes, let's check the temperature. On the front it is 36 degrees, on the bottom it is 35 degrees, on the back it is 35 to 36 degrees, on the bottom it is 34 degrees. Next I'm going to play Modern Combat 5. The visuals are great, the details are great and the controls are pretty smooth. Overall, it's definitely playable. It's been 5 minutes, let's check the temperature. On all sides it's 35 degrees. Next I'm going to play Call of Duty. Very high graphics and very high frame rate are the highest setting available, so I'll be playing in that. There's also max frame rate but the graphics come down to high, so currently I won't be using that.
We lost the lead. Contact with enemy. Tied for the lead. Reloading.
Now as you can see, the visuals are great and the details are pretty good, and controlling is also good.
Tango down. Watch out, grenade! Keep back up. UAV recon standing by. Repeat, UAV recon is standing by. Grenade! Predator missile awaiting orders. Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed. It's inside! Get down! Sniper! Tango down!
It's been 6 minutes since I'm playing this game. Let's check the temperature. On the front it is 38 degrees, on the bottom it is 35 degrees, on the back it is 37 degrees, on the bottom it is 35 degrees. So overall it's been 16 minutes and the battery came down to 85% and the phone feels warm. So for approximately 16 minutes of gameplay, phone consumed 3% of battery, which is definitely great. Now for the heat test, I will take pictures from front and rear camera for 3 minutes and then check the temperature. The AC is still running in the background at 26 degrees and the room temperature is still at 27 degrees. Now I'll set the timer and start taking pictures. It's been 3 minutes. Let's check the temperature. On the front it is fluctuating from 41 to 43 degrees. On the bottom it is 36 degrees. On the back it is fluctuating from 40 to 43 degrees. And on the bottom it is 36 degrees. Now the phone feels slightly hot, but not that hot. Now I'll use the phone for a minute to check for throttling. And by the way, it took 308 photos in those 3 minutes, which is really good. And there is no throttling. So that's it guys. That's been the gaming review, battery drain test and heat test of iQOO Z3. And overall the gaming experience has been great. Due to that 120Hz refresh rate and 180Hz touch sampling rate, the display itself looks really good and the visuals are great and the games are definitely playable. That's pretty much it for this video. If you want us to make any specific video, let us know in the comments down below or tweet out to us with hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will get back to you as soon as possible. This is Unknown from GreedyTech and meet you in the next video.